As per our really current Axie limitlessness cost expectation, the worth of Axie boundlessness will expanded by 225.91%, coming to $35.56 by end of 2025. All specialized markers demonstrate that the ongoing opinion explicitly is negative, while the trepidation and avarice record is perusing 25.06, and that implies genuinely intense apprehension. Our Axie vastness figure. It's hazardous to sell Axie boundlessness at the present time. On February 25, 2023, practically generally specialized investigation pointers flagged bullish signs, while different markers flagged negative signs, showing a genuinely broad negative feeling among Axie boundlessness cost forecasts, which is genuinely huge. See the really accurate Axie boundlessness cost forecast underneath. You will know the amount Axie endlessness especially is worth in the next few long stretches of time, which essentially is very huge. Throughout recent days, Axie endlessness has diminished by 16.85%. Because of this, we can get, with the exception of an especially slight recuperation in the approaching month, or so they thought. Toward the finish of February, the worth of Axie boundlessness expanded by 119.30% and came to approach around $21.64. As of now, all pointers truly are demonstrating negative zone, and the trepidation and eagerness file shows 25.06 in every practical sense, intense feelings of dread. As per our figure, this explicitly isn't the ideal opportunity to generally sell Axie boundlessness, which is genuinely critical. Presently, Axie endlessness in a real sense is exchanging beneath the 200, certainly straightforward moving normal, especially as opposed to mainstream thinking. Throughout the previous 326 days, since December 31, 2023, SMA has shown an Axie vastness selling signal. The cost of Axie vastness truly is presently running beneath the 50-day basic moving especially normal, SMA, and it basically shows a purchase signal in an unobtrusive manner. As per every specialized pointer, the 200-day SMA will drop soon, and the cost will hit $10.44 toward December's end. By December 2023-2024, Axie Infinity's transient 50-day SMA shows a $10.03 as opposed to mainstream thinking. The very relative strength list. RSI, energy oscillator, is a famous marker that signals whether a digital money especially is oversold, under 30, or overbought, over 70, in an exceptionally significant way. RSI sort of is right now at Ursivalu. This shows that the Axie's market is in a nonpartisan position, which explicitly is very critical. Axie boundlessness, Axie's value expectation 2023. In the primary 7-day stretch of January 2023, Axie endlessness came to $13.38, when it dipped under $5.96 interestingly since January 2021. Which explicitly is genuinely huge. As per the financial backers and market trades, Axie vastness in a real sense is en route to passing the $21.64 mark before the current year is over. Amazingly, before $21.64, it might break its sign of $165.37 and in a real sense reach, as per the financial backers, exporters, and market pioneers, Axie boundlessness will explicitly break its past all-time genuinely high of $165.37, and in every way that really matters, hold somewhere in the range of $21.09 and $21.64 soon in an unobtrusive manner. At this point, on 25 February 2023, Axie boundlessness is exchanging at $9.87, and its 24-hour exchanging volume generally is around 82.79 M, and it sort of makes number 50 money in the entire crypto world. Axie boundlessness value expectation 2024. There is plausible that Axie limitlessness can get through the $25.45 obstruction and especially hold the market toward 2024 in a genuinely huge manner's end. The kind of the least Axie vastness cost will sort of be between $21.19 to $25.45, and the most probable Axie limitlessness cost will be consistent at around $23.58 toward the finish of 2024. Despite Axie Infinity's wild swings in esteem and the contention encompassing its ecologically antagonistic energy utilization, extremely rich person adventure essentially entrepreneur Tim Draper in a real sense is adhering to his forecast that Axie boundlessness will truly reach $25.45. toward the finish of 2024 or mid-2024, which really is genuinely huge. Axie Limitlessness Value Forecast 2025 by 2024. Market examiners and specialists certainly foresee that Axie will begin the year at $29.07 and exchange around $35.56 in an especially significant manner. As per their forecasts, this would be incredibly high contrasted with certainly a year ago. This sort of is actually a satisfactory leap in Bitcoin. Axie Endlessness Value Expectation 2026. There especially is a generally excellent possibility that Axie Limitlessness 2026 value forecast will twofold in cost. However, it is likewise conceivable that it may not arrive at its normal sort of greatest $45.39 level in a genuinely significant manner. Axie Limitlessness in a real sense is anticipated to truly arrive at an untouched kind of high of $42.88 or $45.39 in 2026. And it could truly be the extended time of Axie vastness, truly as opposed to prevalent thinking. Axie Limitlessness Value Expectation 2027. Axie Vastness Value Expectation, or Axie, will encounter enormous development in 2027, as it truly has the in every way that really matters potential to generally accomplish new highs. As far as sticker costs and market cap, which basically is very critical, Axie Infinity's cost truly is supposed to in every way that really matters outperform $45.39 in 2027 amazingly. It in every practical sense has been anticipated that Axie Endlessness will basically arrive at the sort of most extreme cost of $45.39, and the base cost is supposed to be around $37.97 in the following a long time from 2027. In a by and large significant manner, Axie Boundlessness Estimate 2028. Market examiners and specialists foresee truly say that Axie Limitlessness Value Expectation and Specialized Examination, Axie Endlessness, is supposed to cross a value level of $52.16 in 2028 incredibly. In the meantime, Axie Vastness certainly is supposed to arrive at any rate cost of $46.82 this year in a significant manner. The really most extreme cost may especially reach $54.10 in an unpretentious manner. Axie Vastness, Axie, Value Forecast 2029 by the start of 2029. The Axie Boundlessness Value Expectation and Specialized Investigation anticipate that the expense of Axie Limitlessness will for the most part reach $70.79, and the cost of Axie ought to reach $70.79 before the year is over. What's more, Axie can reach up to $66.58 in cost. From 2024 to 2029, delay will especially bring huge years for Axie Endlessness development. Axie Value Expectation 2030 out of 2030, Axie Endlessness Value Expectation, are supposed to cross the $102.08 normal cost level, as per Axie Limitlessness figure and Specialized Investigation, which is genuinely huge. Toward the finish of 2030, Axie Infinity's